Welcome to AI Millionaire movement. In the fast-paced world of digital content, not all AI tools are created equal. While basic AI writers can spit out generic paragraphs, there's a new wave of advanced AI content optimizers that are completely changing the game. These tools don't just write, they think strategically. They improve SEO, analyze engagement, rewrite for clarity, adjust tone, and even fine-tune based on your audience. If you're still using a basic AI writer that gives you cookie-cutter results, it's time to upgrade because in 2025, optimization is the new content creation. Let's be honest, basic AI writing tools have their place. They're quick, convenient, and can generate content at scale. But here's the problem. They often produce bland, uninspired, or unranked content that gets lost in the noise. That's where AI content optimizers step in. These are not just writers, they are performance-driven strategists. They don't just write blog posts, they create content that ranks, converts, and engages. They're designed for creators, businesses, and entrepreneurs who want to stand out, not just show up. What makes AI content optimizers different? For one, they understand search engine intent. Instead of just responding to a keyword prompt, these tools analyze top-ranking content, identify gaps, and structure your article for maximum SEO impact. They tell you what headings to use, how many words you need, what questions to answer, and even how to improve your readability score. It's like having an SEO coach, editor, and strategist built into one powerful AI platform. Let's take a real-world example. Imagine you want to write a blog post about best digital marketing tools for small businesses. A basic AI tool might generate a list of tools and write a few sentences about each. An AI content optimizer, on the other hand, will analyze Google's top 10 results, suggest specific tools based on what's trending, recommend headings that target long-tail keywords, and even suggest FAQs you should include for rich snippets. That's not writing, that's rank-ready optimization, but it doesn't stop there. Many of today's AI content optimizers are now integrated with real-time analytics. They track how your content performs after it's published, looking at bounce rate, time on page, keyword movement, and even engagement metrics. Then, they suggest updates and rewrites to improve performance. In other words, your content evolves after publication, just like a living digital asset. That's a massive step beyond static AI writing. If you find this video helpful, please take a moment and subscribe to AI Millionaire Movement, hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll be the first to get the latest AI strategies and insights. Your support allows us to keep bringing you valuable content and help you succeed in the fast-growing world of AI. Let's grow together and ride this wave of innovation. Now, let's talk about tone and audience targeting. Basic AI writers usually generate in one style: neutral, robotic, and often vague. But with content optimizers, you can adjust your tone to match your brand voice, whether it's casual and fun, professional and polished, or bold and persuasive. You can also target specific audience segments. If your audience is more advanced, it will skip the basics and dive into technical depth. This adaptive tone is what makes your content feel human, and that's what keeps readers engaged. Another powerful feature of content optimizers is competitive benchmarking. These tools don't just look at your content, they compare it against your competitors. They highlight where your content is weaker, which keywords you're missing, and how you can outperform other articles. Imagine writing with an AI that constantly has one eye on your rivals and helps you leap ahead. That's the kind of edge AI content optimization offers. Let's not forget about repurposing. With a single piece of long-form content, AI optimizers can help you instantly create a YouTube script, LinkedIn post, Twitter thread, email newsletter, or even a podcast outline. That means you get more value, more reach, and more brand exposure from every piece of content you produce. So, how do you know when it's time to switch from basic writing tools to a full content optimizer? Here are a few signs. If your blog posts aren't ranking. If your content engagement is low. If you're spending too much time editing AI output. If you're manually researching keywords and trends. Or if your competitors are outranking you even when your content is just as good. If any of that sounds familiar, it's time for a smarter AI solution. And here's the good news. The barrier to entry is lower than ever. Many AI content optimizers now offer free trials or affordable plans. They integrate with tools you're already using like WordPress, Notion, or Google Docs. and they're designed to save time, not add complexity. You don't have to be a tech expert or SEO guru. You just need the right tool and the willingness to level up. Before we wrap up, here's the big takeaway. AI content optimizers are not just the future, they're the present. They offer a clear advantage over basic AI writers by combining creativity with strategy, data, and performance. Whether you're a blogger, a business owner, a content marketer, or just someone trying to build an online presence, upgrading your content creation process is a decision that will pay dividends in visibility, credibility, and income. So, are you still using a basic AI writer? Or are you ready to take your content to the next level with a powerful optimizer that does more than just write? Thanks for tuning in to the AI Millionaire movement. If you're serious about scaling your online brand using artificial intelligence, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. We've got more deep dives, tutorials, and AI-powered growth hacks coming your way. Let AI work smarter for you.